That's a lot of dust and dirt. Goodness gracious. Zoinks. Well, got the interior stripped, cleaning this stuff up, and that's just, it's like the carpet got wet and it got gooey underneath there. Same thing over here. There's a tad bit of surface rust, but I mean, that's all it is. It's just little tiny patches of a little bit of rust. So, solid. Did get some bonus stuff here. You know, there's always bonuses when you tear a vehicle apart. And here's what we got. I got one glove, a radiator hose, a starter shim for an offset starter, a socket of some size. Let's see here if we can focus in. Oh, what is that? Can't get it to focus. All right. Well, it's a socket, 1/4-inch drive. A valve cover load spreader, hold down thingamadooter, a lug stud, and a couple of screws, a couple of miscellaneous bolts, and 1/4-inch pipe thread nipple, 45 degree, and 1/4. Bam. Oh, washer. There you go. Oh, and a can pop top. So if you're recycling aluminum, a few screws and stuff, but that's it. Man, sometimes you get good stuff when you strip them down. Tools. Oh, I did get one tool. Here it is. A wrench. It is a 7/8 wrench. Whatever brand that is, and it's made in the USA. There you go. Very good. We're just going to wire wheel all this junk off of here, throw some paint down, put some kill mat down on it, and put the carpet back in. Super cool. A little bit of rust reformer here. Look at this. I found the hole, and for comparison size, there's my thumb, and that hole right there, see? Got a tiny, tiny little hole. Bummer. That's okay. This is one of those spots that rust on them. And I'm going to go over all the holes that have trim going into them. And then we're also going to squirt down these areas. And I tell you, I don't know what kind of witchcraft is in this stuff, but it literally just turns it like into black primer. Everywhere else it does nothing. I got everything kind of painted up, got the rust covered. I want this thing to be ultra cruisy cowboy Cadillac inside. So I got my fake dino skin in here, front to back, all the way around. I put this is like a closed cell foam with insulation or a radiant barrier on it on the roof. Headliner will cover that. Now I've got this, DEI makes this, and it's for under carpet padding. So I'm going to jam that in there and do that all the way across. Then the carpet will go over top of that. And it ought to be, like, you can hear the difference. Big difference. I may throw some on here. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Looking good. This thing is going to be so sweet. We are getting there one piece at a time. And I'm going to throw this front piece of the carpet in. May hang it up early because I got to do work that pays money. Well, today's plans are a little bit of a rescue mission. We've got one of our customers who owns that white truck right there, that one, and their other truck has been in paint jail for 10 years. Sorry for all the motion, I'm trying to hurry so I meet up with everyone, but 10 years, 10 stinking years, come on now. And we're gonna go get it for him. We're headed to San Antonio. I want to say we're about 6 hours away, but let's go get them. Let's go see if we can rescue this. I believe it's a 69 C10 green, and looking forward to seeing it for the first time. Also, I think a couple of his cousins are coming, and let's get this thing for him. You just never know what you're going to see on the road, you know? Nice. I am not sure exactly what is going on, but the sheriffs are here. Move it?
Yeah, that's not on the trailer anymore. That was on that trailer right there.
That's crazy. Yep, I saw the pictures.
Can't really tell though. It looks like a cab right there, so
yeah. This thing's everywhere. So yeah, this is what we're picking up. Rotten boxes, and that's crazy. I've never seen anything likes of this. This is what he returns. It was a fully assembled driving truck. Came in for a complete cab off paint job. And all I can say, pay attention where you take your car. You got something you love that you want done right, man, people will tell you anything they want. Doesn't mean they'll stick with their word. One thing I can say, I'll stick with my word. This is what he got. We got all this. What a joke. Got this headliner board prepped as much as I could. Old material off. Bunch of that garbage just fell apart. Couldn't find one. I guess it's kind of odd for a truck to have a full headliner in these vintages. So I ordered up a roll of material here. That's what I got. And the lighter side will go out. It's an ivory, which to me that's white, right? Right? Okay. I don't know what colors are. Closest I could get to any kind of white. Nothing said white. Ivory. That was it. Tan, gray, black, blue. I don't think they had blue. It was just that and ivory. So we'll lay this on here and cut it out roughly and go from there. So here we go. Trying to figure out what this was up in here, and I pulled on it and it came apart, and that's a mouse or small rodent, and it stinks. Ew. There's a hole right there, and it looks like it climbed through there probably and got stuck. That's gross, man. So I think I'm gonna pull all this nasty stuff out of here and replace it with something. But something that's hard to film is under dash and digging around, but we're putting heater core right here, evaporator core, which I have all that apart, and we're gonna get all this dialed in so it's new. Yeah, so anyways, the only bad part is this. They have a stud here, and a stud is supposed to be right here. That one broke. I gotta figure out something, and I'll deal with that here shortly, but everything in here is in really good shape other than being really, really dirty. And this was the ducting that I pulled off and washed out already. I bet a pound of dirt fell out of there. That's part of living in the desert. Boy, I think half the desert's in this thing. Goodness gracious. But yeah, we're gonna clean it up, throw a coat of paint on it, make it pretty, stick it back together. Here we go. Hey, this setup came with hog rings and pliers, but they're really little. The pliers were.
Pliers are?
Yeah, and I got some Amazon ones, so we'll see. I got 2 sets of Amazon ones because I thought they'd probably break. Hey, oh, you got your Chappy Bros
Chappy
hat
Pals.
on. Your Chappy Pal hat on. We don't have to reuse that hard ring around there, do you? That should be sewed in, right?
Should be.
Okay.
Or they may just have piping. Sometimes they don't put the metal in them.
Yeah, that means it don't last. It only lasts 3 years.
Yeah,
then?
it means you got to be careful when you're pulling on it.
Man, that's it. That's gonna be beautiful. That is gonna be beautiful. Going on.
See that?
Yep.
Okay, where's the hole?
Right here.
Let me do this. Let's do that right
Amazon's best. Worked pretty good. quit touching it when we get it dirty.
Real bad on this. This side's the worst.
Yeah.
I think. Let's try this.
I had to re-hog ring.
Nah, I'm just working some around this corner. So. Like that.
Professional. All right, let's go over that again. Why do you put this down? Why do you put plastic on?
So it's nice and slick.
Slick.
Slick as butter.
Hey, and it's like a piddle pad on your mattress too.
For you.
Yeah, I'm getting old.
For you.
I'm a grandpa now, you know.
I'm ready. I stay regulated. I don't eat no ones.
Well, there's no Don Juan's by me. It's too far. Way too far.
Fridays are for road crew.
Well, I don't have a car right now, but as soon as I get that one ready, we're gonna road
It's
trip
so
every
on.
Friday. It's so on.
I'm not getting back up.
Get some scrumdiddlyumptious between seats and some sweet tea. Little late, but we got it in, recovered. Front seat's recovered, but I'm not gonna put it in until I get everything else done. I couldn't have asked for a better outcome on this one. It turned out beautiful. It's comfy. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to drive it soon. Stay tuned, guys.